go.
Join na.
The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once upon a time, a young shepherd boy named Leo was tasked with watching his flock of sheep on a lonely hill. He was supposed to keep them safe from wolves. One day, he got bored and decided to play a trick on the nearby villagers. He ran down to the hill saying, "Wolf, wolf! A wolf is attacking the sheep." What might Leo have done to entertain himself without causing trouble? The villagers heard his cries and rushed up to the hill to help. When they arrived, they found Leo laughing because there was no wolf. The villagers were not happy, but Leo just shrugged. The next day, he played the same trick again. The villagers came running to help again and again. There was no wolf. The villagers become very angry. What? Why do you think the villagers keep responding even after being fooled once? One sunny afternoon, a werewolf quietly crept up to the flock. Leo saw it and, truly scared, he screamed, "Wolf, wolf! Please help! A werewolf is here!" This time the villagers heard him, but they thought it was another one of his tricks. They didn't come to help. The wolf chased the sheep, and Leo learned a very hard lesson. What do you think Leo learned about the importance of honesty? Moral of the story: if you lie all the time, no one will believe you when you tell the truth. Honesty is very important.